Hi, Mr. Daga. Good evening. This is
Good evening.
Sukanya.
Good evening. Ma'am, my name is Nitin Daga. I'm an insolvency professional by profession and chartered accountant company secretary as well. I am presently serving as the chairman of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board Committee
Right.
of the Association of Corporate Advisors and Executives. This is an association of 65 years of legacy, and
Yep.
we are very active professionally. And this is an association having chartered accountants, company secretaries, and advocates.
Yeah.
Across from that, from industry people as CEOs, CFOs are also part of this organization. We are presently holding this conference on IBC at 10 because 10 years of IBC has already this is the 10th year
Yeah,
which is
this is the
IBC
10th
is
year.
10.
Okay.
Yeah. So IBC at 10, how do we see it unfolding? We have seen the recent amendments which has happened, and the government is very proactive. IBB is very proactive to make the relevant changes in the act so as to assist and allow the process to move on smoothly. And hence this event in Eastern India plays a very vital role. We have seen more than 200 plus delegates here and gracing the event,
Yeah.
and senior executives, speakers and delegates have come in. Along with that, chief guest of honor, we have Mr. Justice Endeavor Pandeyji. He was here to grace the occasion from NCL. He is an NCLAT NCLAT technical member, and also we had the grace of Mr. Ravinder Mainiji. He is from IBBI as executive director to
Okay.
the occasion.
So overall, how do you feel? How was the conference? How was the conclave
It was
today?
very vibrant. We had super technical topics and very relevant topics from real estate, from aviation, panel discussion, judges panel. In fact, after 3 years, we have got the approval from the members to present and grace this occasion. As an IPs, we are always very keen to hear from the judiciaries before whom we appear. What are their expectations? How do they see IPs to perform going forward? Where are we going wrong? All these things come at a forum like this where we are
Yeah.
actually getting an opportunity to discuss and understand their perspective.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you so very much, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.